Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question from inverse trigonometric function that has been taken from exercise 2.2. That question is question number 15, exercise 2.2 equal to if tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 over x plus 2 equal to 5 by 4, comma, then find the value of x. Now here I shall write solution. Solution equal to it is given that tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 over x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now I shall write imply that here you can see tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 over x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. This is the case which I am going to discuss here. Now here I shall write tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 over x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. It is given in the question. So here you can see tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 over x plus 2. This is the question. Do you know the formula? Here I shall write the formula. Formula you must know. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y whole over 1 minus xy. This is the formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y. Here x plus y. Here plus is there. That's why here I have written plus. So x plus y over 1 minus xy. This is the formula. The same formula I am going to apply here. So here I can write very well, imply that tan inverse, right here with curly bracket like this. Here x plus y. So in place of x I can write x minus 1 over x minus 2. So here I shall write x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus y. In place of y it can be written as, in place of y I can write x plus 1 over x plus 2 whole over 1 minus xy. In place of x I can write x minus 1 x minus 2. In place of y I can write x plus 1 x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. This is the question. What to do? Here I shall write, take LCM here. So here we can write tan inverse in curly bracket. Here you can see x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus x plus 1 over x plus 2. So take LCM x minus 2 and x plus 2. Comes out to be x minus 2 x plus 2, x minus 2 and x plus 2. LCM will be taken. We will get here x minus 2 of and x plus LCM. Now here in denominator x minus 2 is there, numerator x minus 1 is there. The x minus 1 will multiply to x plus 2. So here I can write x minus 1, here x plus 2 will be written. Plus, this plus will come here, this one, and here you can write x minus 2, x plus 1, like this you can write. Whole over, here you can see 1 is there. In place of 1 you can write 1 over 1. Now take LCM. On taking LCM, x minus 2 and x plus 2 comes out to same LCM you will get here. X minus 2, x plus 2 will be LCM. Now here you can write x minus 2, x plus 2. Here in place of 1 I can write x minus 2, x plus 2. In place of 1 I can write x minus 2, x plus 2 minus x minus 1, x plus 1 can be written. Now things will be enclosed in curly bracket. Now what we will get here, you can write equal to pi by 4. Now again it will become tan inverse. Now what to do? This one multiply together, you will get here x will multiply to x, you will get here x square minus x. 1 will multiply to x, you will get here minus x. And x will multiply to plus 2, you will get here 2x. And minus 1 multiply to plus 2, you will get here minus 2. Again this one you will get x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Just study the things here. X will multiply to x, you will get here x square. Minus 1 multiply to plus x, you will get here minus x. And plus 2 multiply to x, you will get here plus 2x. And this one minus 2 plus 2 multiply to get here minus 2. And this one multiply to plus x square minus 2x will get this one multiply to plus x or minus 2. This is the correct. Now what we will do here, this one will be cancelled out. Over this one you will get here, okay, this one you get here x square, x will multiply to x, get x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. This will become x minus 2, x plus 2. X square minus 4 it will become. Here it will become minus, and here x minus 1 and x plus 1 will multiply together, you get here x square minus 1. So here minus x square will be there and plus 1 will be there. This thing will get x square minus 1. Minus will enter inside, you will get here minus x square plus 1 will get. This thing will get. So here you can write equal to pi by 4. Now this one will be cancelled out. This one will also be cancelled out. And here you will get minus 3 as it. Here you will get minus 3 will get. Now get the things here. Here you can see plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled out, and also this one will be cancelled out. And what we have got here, this one you have got x square minus 2 I have got here. And here minus 3 will be. So what to do, here you can write equal to x square, this one 2x square, x square plus x square will get here 2x square, and this one you will get here minus 4 over, here you will get minus 3, here you will get minus 3. Why? Because here plus x square, both will be added together. You will get here 2x square, and this one minus 2 will be added together. You will get here minus 4 over this one you will get minus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1. When it will be operated, you will get here minus 3 equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 it will become tan pi by 4. Now you can write here imply that 2x square minus 4 over minus 3 is equal to 1. Why 1? Because tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So it will become here. Now minus 3 will multiply to 1. You will get here 2x square minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 3 will get. Why? Here you get 2x square minus 4, and this minus 3 plus 1 will multiply together, you will get here minus 3. So this will become implied that 2x square minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. It will become like this. Again it will become 2x square minus 1 equal to 0. So here you have got 2x square minus 1 equal to 0, implied that it will become 2x square equal to 1, implied that x square equal to 1 over 2, implied that x equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. From here let us understand 2x square minus 4 whole over minus 3 equal to 1. So here minus 3 plus 1 will multiply together, we will get here minus 3, and here implied that it will become 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. Now implied that 2x square minus 4 minus 3 is there in right hand side, that will bring back to left hand side. Here it will become plus 3. So 2x square minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. It will become minus 4 plus 3 will be operated together. You will get here minus 1. 2x square minus 1 equal to 0. This minus 1 will move back to right hand side. It will become 2x square equal to 1. Here x square equal to 1 over 2 it will become. X equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. So correct answer will be x equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. So here you have got the answer. Correct answer will be answer implied that x is equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. This is under root 2. X is equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2 will be the correct answer. This is the one formula I have used here. This is only one formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. Another formula I have used. Tan pi by 4 equal to 1. This is also formula. This is the formula. Tan pi by 4 equal to 1. On basis of this formula, I have solved question number 15 exercise 2.2. The correct answer will be x equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. This is the complete solution of question number 15 exercise 2.2. Okay, thanks.